everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk. We are already at paper perk number 30. So today I have for you this beautiful set of postcards. So these are collage postcards, and I don't have a sewing machine, so I thought it would be really fun to add stitches as if I did have a sewing machine and stitch them, but there is no real stitching, but it looks really cool. I really hope you like this. I love them. They're really lovely. And if you don't know what paper perks are, these are a free Facebook group that you can go ahead and download all of the freebies. They are weekly freebies, printables for junk journaling, mini albums, cards, scrapbook pages, whatever paper craft or other project you're working on. Just go ahead, there is a link in the description under the video to join the Facebook group. It's free, and then all the printables are also free. Then I have something for our Ko-fi supporters. Ko-fi is where you can go ahead and get extra pages, extra tutorials, and exclusive printables. Only for supporters. You have to become a supporter. Excuse me. And this is what our supporters get. We're going to make this pretty envelope. You're going to get, these are the same postcards. You're going to make this pretty envelope. You're going to get the full step-by-step video extra. This is exclusive for Ko-fi supporters, so you can go ahead. There is another link in the description under the video and join my Ko-fi and become a supporter there, and then you'll have this really pretty envelope tutorial. So I'm going to cut these and show you what you can do with them, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I have 3 postcards here. I thought it would be really fun. Obviously you can use these as postcards, but I thought it would be really fun to show you how you can make 3 different pockets in our journal with these postcards. So let's find a page that we can add them to. Okay, let's do this page here. So, first of all, you can use this as a regular pocket. So basically, you just take one of the postcards and then you apply glue to both sides and the bottom and simply attach it to the page. And then you have a really pretty pocket to add photos, journaling cards, tags, whatever you want. Okay, so that was one pocket. The second pocket, we're going to fold this in half. And of course, if you want, you can ink the edges. You don't have to, only if you want to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And then we're going to have a double corner pocket. So we're going to take this page and then we're going to glue it like this. So how are we going to glue it? We need all of this and all of this to be open. So basically all we need to do is, I like to apply just a little bit of glue here on the fold line, and then on the bottom on both sides of the fold. And then we're just going to glue it down. I think they just look amazing, don't you? Of course they go well with the colors here. And then let's just cut 2 pieces here And then you have one pocket, one corner pocket here, and one corner pocket here. Next, we are going to fold this lengthwise in half, and then I think you already know where this is going. So this is pocket number 3. So you have one size of postcard, but 3 different pockets designed. Isn't that cool? So we can go here and let's do this little one here, and then do a double pocket here. So what we need to do is we need this side and this side to be open, right? So we're just going to apply glue here and here, and that will be enough. I think this is so cool. So they don't have to be exactly in the middle. I don't like things to be always in the middle. That's why I put it slightly towards the bottom. And now I have 2 more pockets. I think this is so cool. Don't you? So we have 1, 2, 3 designs of our pocket as from the postcards. So I really hope you like this. Again, this is the envelope is for our supporters on Ko-fi. Go ahead, grab the printables, go ahead to Ko-fi and watch the extra exclusive video. Thank you. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.